there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In this tutorial I'll show you how to crochet these cute eyes. I already made one eye to test, so now I'm going to show you how to crochet these pretty kawaii eyes. The way we place the pins are as follows: 2 stitches apart and 2 rows apart, and the corner of the eye starts at the edge of the muzzle. That's how I did it. It comes a little bit in an angle and you look like this. Play with the location, see what fits for you. Right, so we start with black and we're just going to fill this square. So insert it in a corner where you have the pin, out and then back in the other corner. Let me see, location wise. Okay, and now back and forth we are going to fill the eye, and that's how we're using double strands to do the job faster. Okay, and try and go through the middle of the stitches, not on the edges. Okay, so now I filled the eye with backhand and I'm moving the yarn in the corner. I'll show you the difference. You can see here in this test eye, I have not created an edge with black yarn, so you have jagged lines from the stitches. So if you want to have a smooth line, just move the yarn to the corner and then push your needle through the other corner at the top and then out. We're done. Let's see where out. Let's somewhere out in a here, and that will create a smooth top of the eye. Now we're gonna continue with white. So within this end, the black ones, once you're done with both eyes. So now we are gonna do the white, and my white is already attached because I've made the white part of the eye here. So we're gonna work into the next eye, and we're going to insert our needle in the bottom corner of the eye. So that's where we start. Right. So pull the yarn in a corner. And then we are gonna insert the needle at the top corner, right top corner of the eye, and back down in the bottom right side corner of the eye, like this. And we're gonna pull it through the loop, so not under, over. And this will create a nice outline of the eye. Now we're gonna insert the needle into the exact spot where we insert, and then out at the corner of the eye towards the end of it. So let's say if you split the eye in 4, it will be in the top left side. So in this side will be top right side of the eye. So somewhere there, like that, and then in and out, somewhere out in her head. Okay, so in, like that, and out. And we have the eyes, and this is how you make the eye. If you want, you can create a longer white part of the eye or a smaller like me. But yeah, this is how you embroider the full eyes for the Lion Lovey. If you have a question about this tutorial, put it in the comments below. I'll be more than happy to answer you. Happy crocheting!